Hello and welcome to Stahl Campus. This is Stahl Campus, our specialist education program dedicated to training and upskilling the next generation of leather industry talent. Working with the industry and academia, we've developed a range of expert-led workshops and courses, from one-week intensive sessions to full postgraduate qualifications. Every year, thousands of students, designers and industry professionals come together to explore the latest developments in leather with a focus on low-impact leather coating technologies. Graduates of the Stahl Campus program regularly go on to work with the leading companies active in the market today, ensuring a strong talent pipeline for the future of the industry. Since opening the first campus site in 2014, we've expanded the program around the world with locations in China, India and Mexico, and we're just getting started. Stahl Campus is an essential part of our strategy to develop a low-impact future for leather and to stimulate industry-wide cooperation to drive a more responsible value chain. Ready to find out what Stahl Campus has to offer? Discover our courses today.